I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out. Over and out again.
Good morning, guys. Now I'm going to check out the room, and I'll be going to Mullayanagiri, Budangiri, and all the associated places. So let's meet on the road. First will be the Mullayanagiri, which is also known as one of the highest peak in Karnataka. Let's go. So guys, ready and hitting the roads now. So, see you on the road.
My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me.
Thank you again, land of coffee, Chikmagalur. So exiting Chikmagalur town now, and now heading to Budangiri. Guys, this is the awesome road I have ever seen till now. Maybe I'll be encountering some other roads better than this, but anyway, this road is beautiful. As far as my solo ride is concerned, this road is the best I have seen till now. And I really forgot to introduce a new friend. Well, I'll be introducing him soon. Guys, the road is awesome, guys. Super. Mind-blowing road. I just love this. So to enter the hill, they are charging 10 rupees for each bike. I don't know about other big vehicles, but for the bike it is 10 rupees. Just see the road, guys. Just see the road. It's very beautiful, man. It's very beautiful. Really very beautiful.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Guys, this is awesome. One of the narrowest road till now I have seen on the bike ride.
So, as I was saying on the road, I made a new friend. Hello. Hi. Bro, you tell your name and this one.
This is Vihari, and we met in Chikmagalur. So now we are good friends.
Yeah. Next time, whenever we are going out, we'll talk to each other and we'll be
Sure.
yeah.
So getting out of Budangiri now. Heading to Budangiri. So wait, is the time. Which looks like beautiful. Everything. turned off my bike and riding now. It's completely, while coming it was too much on top and now it is too much down. It's a fuel saving trick. Please don't follow it. I have not a lot of practice doing this. If you do that, the engine will be completely in smooth condition and that time it won't hold the torque. So better don't do this.
You're the night sky trying to make me.
Sorry if you're not getting profit properly. It's very windy around here. We have taken some good shots. You can go and check out on Instagram.
Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark, so that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
So guys, this is kind of off-roading here, complete off-roading. Just now I got, thank God, I should thank God here. I was saved. I almost half an inch to fall down due to a skid. So guys, we have reached on top of the Budangiri. This is one of the highest point, and there, that thing you can see there, that one, that is called Devramma Betta. That the speciality of thing, that place is it will be open only in Diwali time. Other than that, it will be completely closed. When I was not knowing, just found out from the local idea. So this is a glimpse of off-roading here. I think this is still around 5 to 6 kilometers. I think I want to tell this, if you're planning to come to this place, please never come to this place in rainy season. If you're coming in rainy season, this road will be not more than a mudslide. This is completely muddy road, so better not to come in rainy season, especially when you're coming on bike. I would suggest you come in winters, early winters, like in November, and that too you just check the weather condition on Google and then you decide to come here. Or else now I am not facing a lot of problems, but seeing the road I can tell that in rainy season this is completely bad, 100% not recommended. In early winters I would tell better you consult Google Auntie and then come. This was it, and maybe now we'll be having lunch and heading back to Bangalore. So finally heading back to Bangalore now. Bangalore is around 273 kilometers from here, and we have to go to via Chikmagalur. I think till Chikmagalur, while coming, you people have seen the vlog. Now I don't think it is much of a necessary to do a vlog till Chikmagalur. entered the Hassan city. From here, we have to take the NH75 highway, from where the Bangalore will be around. Bangalore city will be around 160 to 170 kilometers. Then again, I have to go to Electronic City, which is again 20 to 25 kilometers. So guys, finally to the highway. I'm meeting in Bangalore. So guys, finally reached home around 9:15, and the kilometer count is around 850 to 900 kilometers. Well, that's not too much, but for 2 days it's not too much, but it was worth it because the ride was full of hilly areas and the kind of kart section. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the other one.